Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best chainsaw sharpener is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any woodworker's arsenal. A dull chain can make your work slow, dangerous, and frustrating. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of chainsaw sharpeners, exploring different types, features, and how to choose the perfect one to keep your saw biting through wood like butter. Get ready to transform your cutting experience. Number 5. Oregon Chainsaw Sharpening Kit, 617067. This Oregon sharpening kit is designed to keep your chainsaw blades in top condition. It's a portable solution, making it easy to sharpen your tools wherever you are. This kit ensures your saws are always ready to perform. This versatile kit includes files of various sizes, a file guide, a handle, and a travel pouch. It's designed for use with chainsaws, pole saws, and other tools. You'll have everything you need to maintain a sharp cutting edge. The included file guide helps you set the depth gauge accurately. This ensures consistent and precise sharpening results every time. With this tool, you can easily maintain the performance of your saw. The kit comes with a detailed instruction sheet, including a filing chart. This helps you choose the right tool and technique for your chain. Following the instructions will help you get the best results. The kit comes in a compact rolled canvas pouch with inner pockets. It's perfect for taking from job to job. This makes it easy to keep your tools sharp and ready for any task. What we like. This Oregon kit is perfect for those who need a sharpening solution on the go. It's compact and comes with everything you need, making it ideal for field use. If you frequently work in different locations or need to sharpen your chainsaw away from a workshop, this kit is a great choice. It's designed for convenience and portability. What people say. The tool is easy to use. It sharpens the chain very well. The guide makes it easy to get the correct angle. Number 4. Titanium Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Introducing the latest chainsaw sharpener kit, featuring the hardest titanium-plated diamond wheel. This ensures a long lifespan, so you won't need to replace it frequently. The kit includes 6 sharpening wheels to handle any chain. This sharpener is incredibly easy to use. No chain removal is required, and there are no replacement parts needed. Just follow the simple installation steps, and you're ready to go. A helpful video is provided to guide you through the process. This high-powered tool delivers fast results. Even the dullest chains can be sharpened in just a few minutes. Say goodbye to the time-consuming hand sharpening process with this efficient tool. Achieve professional level sharpening with the angle attachment. It allows you to sharpen the chainsaw blade at the exact angle and depth. This protects the chain from damage and ensures a razor-sharp edge. This efficient chainsaw sharpener is the perfect companion for your chainsaw. It sharpens, protects, and makes your work easier and safer. The exquisite packaging makes it a unique and practical gift for any logger or handyman. Get it, and you'll become a working style leader. What we like. This electric sharpener stands out with its durable, titanium-plated diamond wheels, ensuring a long lifespan. It's designed for speed and precision, allowing you to sharpen your chain in minutes. If you value efficiency and want a tool that delivers quick, professional-grade results, this sharpener is a great choice. What people say. I sharpened the dull blade on my saw and could immediately feel the difference in how it felt versus the round file sharpening. I was able to keep a good angle on the blade and the teeth sure felt sharp. Came with a few bits and wrenches. Number 3. Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This kit includes everything you need to keep your chainsaw in top condition. It comes with the sharpener tool, angle attachment, wrench, and multiple file sizes. This will help you sharpen any chain. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this tool makes sharpening easy. The ergonomic design and angle guide make it simple to maintain the correct angle. It's designed for both right and left-handed users. It's crucial to sharpen all teeth equally. This sharpener allows you to set the grinding angle and achieve a consistent, razor-sharp finish. You can easily cycle through the chain, knowing each tooth will be sharpened precisely. With adjustable speed settings, this sharpener provides a clean and precise finish. The motor's design ensures high stability and accuracy, saving you time and reducing wear on your chainsaw. This saves you time, fuel, and wear and tear on your chainsaw. A dull chain can lead to accidents. This sharpener quickly sharpens your chain, reducing pressure on the engine. This ensures your tool will last longer and makes the cutting process safer. What we like. This Sharp Pebble kit offers ease of use and precise sharpening, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. It ensures each tooth is sharpened at the same angle and depth. If you're looking for a tool that simplifies the sharpening process and delivers consistent, razor-sharp results, this is a great option. What people say. Item worked as expected. No issues have sharpened 2 chains so far. Works well for intended purpose. Super easy to use and chain is sharper than new. Number 2. AR Pro 110V Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Introducing the AR Pro Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. This tool is designed for precision and ease of use, making chainsaw maintenance simple. With a 180W motor and 5 speed settings, it delivers efficient sharpening. The ergonomic design suits both right and left-handed users. The angle adjustment guide ensures the correct sharpening angle. You can adjust it from 25 degrees, 30 degrees, and 35 degrees for all chain types. High-hardness diamond sharpening stones quickly sharpen dull chains. Each bit is titanium plated for durability. The kit includes 12 diamond sharpening wheels in 3 sizes, an angle adjustment guide, and all necessary accessories. It's everything you need to keep your chainsaw in top condition. What we like. This AR Pro sharpener provides accurate results every time with its adjustable angle guide. The high-hardness diamond stones ensure quick and effective sharpening. If you need a powerful and precise sharpener with adjustable settings for different chains, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly and fast. I can sharpen my own chainsaw blades. Good to follow the angle while sharpening. A real Dremel tool with good bits. Fast and efficient. Saw cut better than hand sharpening. Number 1. Dremel A679-02 Sharpening Kit. Is your gardening tool dull? This kit is designed to support your backyard and garden projects. It gives your go-to tools a new lease on life. The Dremel Sharpening Kit includes attachments to sharpen chains and blades. It provides the optimum sharpening angles for your tools. This kit works with Dremel tool models 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 7760, 8220, 8240, 8250 and 8260. It also fits onto the Dremel 4300 when used with collect and collect nut. The kit includes garden tool, lawn mower, and chainsaw sharpening attachments. It also comes with sharpening stones, a wrench, gauge, and spacers. The 453, 454, and 455 aluminum oxide chainsaw sharpening stones are ideal for sharpening various chains. They are perfect for keeping your chainsaws in top condition. The attachments easily screw on to your Dremel rotary tool. It is simple to install, making it convenient for you to use. What we like. This Dremel kit offers versatility with attachments for various tools, including chainsaws. It's easy to install and works with multiple Dremel models. If you already own a Dremel rotary tool and want a convenient way to sharpen your chainsaws and other garden tools, this kit is an excellent addition to your toolkit. What people say. Worked excellent for sharpening my chainsaw chain. Worlds faster than filing by hand and does a better job. Match the chain on the saw to the right-sized filer and you are good to go. Good, clear directions. You must already have the Dremel tool, this is just an attachment for the Dremel. It took less than 5 minutes to read the instructions, set up the guard depth, and run the tool on my 18 chainsaw. My saw is cutting better than new. Nice 1 2 to 3 4 ribbons of sawdust. It's the best sharpener I've ever used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.